In this video, I'm going to show you how to track invites on Discord in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to see who created an invite link, how many times it's been used, and when it expires. Whether you're managing a community server, running a private group, or just trying to keep better track of your server growth, this feature can save you a lot of time and confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to check your invites. You can do this from the left-hand sidebar where all of your servers are listed. Once you're in the correct server, look at the top of the channel list and click the server name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, and from there, click Server Settings. This is where Discord keeps all of the important configuration tools for your server, including moderation, roles, and invite management. Inside server settings, look for the invite section and click on it. This page will show you a list of invite links that have been created for your server. Here, you'll be able to view each invite link, who created it, how many uses it has, and what its expiration settings are. This is especially helpful if you have multiple moderators or different invite links for different purposes, because it lets you see exactly which invite is bringing people into the server. If you notice an invite you don't recognize or one that has too many uses, you can review it and decide whether it should stay active. You can also compare expiration settings so you know which links are temporary and which ones are permanent. That makes it much easier to stay organized and keep control over your community access. And that's it. You now know how to track invites on Discord. It only takes a few clicks, but it gives you a lot of useful information about how people are joining your server. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials, server management tips, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.